वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. With this blessing of Lord Ganesh, we start our today's annual award function, handing over medals of Eastern India Regional Council of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. I, Hariram Agrawal, for and on behalf of the Eastern India Regional Council of the CA Institute of ICI, welcome you all to this today's annual award function of EIRC of ICI. May request to call on the dais CA Biswaranjan Sutar, member EIRC. CA Biswaranjan Sutar, member EIRC, to please join us on the dais. CA Aditya Kumar Maheshwari, Treasurer EIRC, please join us on the dais. CA Mayur Agrawal, Vice Chairman EIRC, please join us on the dais. CA Vishnu K. Tulshan, Chairman EIRC, please join us on the dais. And now comes the occasion of inviting our chief guest, CA Rajendra Prasad Pansari of Aditya Birla Group on the dais. Please give him a big round of applause and welcome CA R.P. Pansari on the dais. We are honored by the presence of our chief guest, CA Rajendra Prasad Pansari of Aditya Birla Group in our today's annual award function. May I request CA Arvind Pal Singh, CA AP Singh ji, please join us on the dais. Please, sir. A big round of applause to welcome CA AP Singh ji on the dais. Welcome, sir. With your presence, we are honored. Thank you, sir. May I request to please rise for the playing of Institute's motto song.
य एष सुप्तेषु जागृति य एष सुप्तेषु जागृति कामं 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 कामपुरुषो पुरुषो निर्विमाणः निर्विमाणः तदेव शुक्रं तद्ब्रह्मा तद्ब्रह्मा तदेवामृतमुच्यते तस्मिन् लोकः शतः सर्वे तदूनात्यपि कश्चन एतद्वैता 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 एतद्वैता.
Thank you. Please be seated. अवार्ड मिलना किसको अच्छा नहीं लगता है? अवार्ड मिलना सबको अच्छा लगता है. और जब कड़ी मेहनत के बाद और अथक प्रयास के बाद यदि अवार्ड मिलता है तो वो अपने कहते हैं भाई खून पसीने की कमाई है. ये अवार्ड नहीं है, ये हमारा खून पसीने की कमाई है. तो इसी क्रम में आज हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं all meritorious students of Eastern India region as well as the ICI branches and study circles and others to whom we will be handing over awards. In this format, I invite CA Vishnu K. Tulsyan, Chairman EIRC, to give his welcome address.
Thank you so much, Hariram ji Agrawal. the Secretary of ARC of ICI. It is a matter of great pride that we are today sitting under the roof where the brilliant students, the future of India is sitting. And for them, we have the very experienced two distinct guests on the dais, R.P. Pasari sir and Singh sir. These two persons are very inspiring, not by the word but by the action. Pasari sir is handling the Birla groups and Singh sir is handling the international director of Lions Club. So both are chartered accountant, both are very experienced person, basically a youth personality I can say, which inspires everyone. According to me, youth is not the age, not the numbers, but the person who can ignite inside you and create something different fire inside that. So according to me, sir, you are the youth icon, and hence we are here and to take some words from you. जैसे हरी सर ने बताया कि अवार्ड किसको अच्छा नहीं लगता, सबको अच्छा लगता है, हमें भी अच्छा लगता है. But what is awards? Can you judge anybody by the simple giving one token? Not at all. But it is simply appreciation that yes, you are being distinct from the others, and others can also do something better than you. So it is something which is not in the abstract, but just for reference. Today we have the students here. We don't know ये जो student आने वाले समय में क्या बनेंगे, इंडस्ट्रीज बनेंगे, यूपीएससी पास करके आगे बढ़ेंगे, या ये फिर किसी अच्छे प्रैक्टिशनर बनेंगे, कोई इंडस्ट्रीज के साथ में ये कोई एमडी बनेंगे, वी डोंट नो. जो भी यहाँ बैठे हैं उनके भविष्य में क्या लिखा है हमें नहीं मालूम. हम उन्हें नरिश कर सकते हैं, हम उन्हें रास्ता दिखा सकते हैं, हम उन्हें बता सकते हैं कि आपने जो काम किया है आगे और अच्छे से करते रहो तो भविष्य आपका और उज्जवल हो सकता है. ये हम लोग कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज बट वी कैन नॉट प्रिडिक्ट एनी फ्यूचर ऑफ एनीबडी. विद दिस रिमार्क्स टुडे वी हैव द प्लेस टू felicitate, to recognize the meritorious students of this year, and that will be given a small token, which is the ritual from every year we do it, and this is the main objective of this award ceremony. And with this remark, thanks for coming, and many students have come with their fathers, their mothers, and their sisters also. So I welcome everyone. Please go to back to the family and inspire others to please come forward. So with this remark, thanks a lot for coming here. Thanks.
We have got chief guest, CA Rajendra Prasad Pasari of Aditya Birla Group. And now I request CA Aditya Kumar Maheshwari to please give a brief introduction of our chief guest, CA R.P. Pasari ji.
Our chief guest of the day, Shri Rajendra Prasad Pansari ji, is a chartered accountant. He's from Calcutta, Calcutta-based seasoned corporate leader and finance professional, currently serving as the Chief Executive Officer of the Pilani Investment and Industries Corporation Limited, a unit of Aditya Birla Group. With over 79 years of age and extensive experience in senior positions, he's a director in multiple companies, including RSV Securities Private Limited. Formerly, he was associated with SL Mining and Industries Limited as a senior president. All I'll say about the personality is that our institute is not a great institute because of only the leaders and the torchbearers. It is because of these personalities who have shown the way to the institute to grow up. The chartered accountant, CA Rajendra Prasad Pansari ji, our chief guest. Thank you.
Now we will felicitate our chief guest, CA R.P. Pasari ji, and now invite CA Vishnu K. Tulsian, Chairman ARC, to please felicitate, and may I request others to please join in his felicitation. Another dignitary on the dais is none other than our guest of honor, CA AP Singh. Who don't know CA AP Singh ji? He is well-known personality, and for that purpose, as a ritual, I request CA Aditya Maheshwari, our treasurer of EIRC, to please introduce CA AP Singh ji to the audience.
Thank you, C. Hariram ji. So we have heard the song Parcham Lehra Do. I have the pleasure of introducing another stalwart from Kolkata, a chartered accountant, जिन्होंने सही में पूरे विश्व में परचम लहराया है. A very, very eminent chartered accountant with career spanning over 4 decades. He is well known for his extensive work done for the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Has been practicing since 1984, and presently he is the president of Lions Club International all across the world. He is leading the entire social activities of the Lions Club. That's a chartered accountant once again, and it is a matter of pride for all of us. Very, very active member for over 30 years, serving as for the social cause as the Lions Club member. Has a global experience, has traveled more than 73 countries, and presently, as I said, he is the leading entire social activities of the Lions Club. And he has very great academic excellence, All India topper in ISC examination from Don Bosco, Kolkata, a rank holder of St. Xavier's College, Kolkata. If we measure his professional ranks, he's qualified as a chartered accountant with All India rank in both intermediate and final examinations, and was a recipient of an ICI scholarship. With this, I introduce CA AP Singh ji.
Now it's time to felicitate our guest of honor, CA AP Singh ji. For that, I invite Chairman EIRC Vishnu K. Tulsian along with other EIRC team to felicitate our guest of honor, AP Singh ji.
Sir, this is the certificate for you inspired. But the institute started one initiative in which we are selecting the people, the chartered accountants who are working differently in different parts of fields. So we have selected 14 fields, under which philanthropy is also one of the fields. For that, we have taken your name, and we propose your name for this type of certificate. Thank you so much.
Friends, now it's time to listen the kind words of our guest of honor, CA AP Singh ji.
Good afternoon, friends. Most honored chairperson of our regional council, Tulsian ji, our incoming chairperson, other office bearers, members of the council, Pansari ji, whom I've had the great privilege of knowing for many years, and my dear friends. This is an occasion to recognize certain individuals, and very specifically the students, whom we believe are not only the future of our profession, you are also the present. Many of you are presently at a stage that you are stepping forward in the world of industry, of business and profession. You're starting your careers. And you are at very interesting point of history. Today, our profession is really poised at those crossroads from where we will be marching ahead. India as a country is an emerging power across the world. India Incorporated, Brand India, all those are not anymore terms, that's a reality. People my generation have definitely seen this change evolve, this change actually happen. When we went to school and college, we studied Indian economy started studying it as an underdeveloped economy. A few years later, for those of us who were pursuing studies in economics, we started looking at India, and we found a lot of literature developing on India as a developing economy. And it was only after that individuals like me started working and started our careers that in the last 2 decades, we have truly earned, we have not been conferred by anybody's gratuity or anybody's magnanimity, but we have earned the status of one of the topmost economies in the world. So this is a curve that people my generation have truly experienced, and it brings a very different kind of feeling. Even when I speak to you right now, I have goosebumps. And at that point of time, chartered accountants who are truly the gatekeepers to the economy, gatekeepers to the industry, gatekeepers, very importantly, to the regulators and the government authorities, are at very interesting crossroads. This profession is today poised for a growth and with the momentum that it has never experienced earlier. The world of profession of public accountants, of professional accountants around the world, when we travel, we often find the terminology of the big four. At one point of time, it was more than 4, but then we were left with 4. It's not that I'm trying to foretell the future or forecast as to what's going to happen, but to me, it's a writing on the wall that this 4 will not stay at 4, it will become 5, or it will become 6, or maybe even more, and those additions will come through Indian entities. In the next 10 years or so, we will see Indian profession of chartered accountants evolve in such a manner that Indian entities will really, by their own name, by their own separate recognition, be recognized as some of the topmost and among the foremost accounting and professional entities of the world. And you are setting or about to set your foot in the world of profession in your careers at that particular moment. So the world is open up to you. It's as if the opportunities are going to be limitless. It's no more a profession of only auditors. And even if we use the word audit, it's definitely no more the profession of only those engaged with audit of financial statements. There will be audits of different kinds. Together with audits, there's going to be so much that the financial field and the world of transactions around the world is going to offer, that you are going to be in a position to choose super specialization within the overall field of being a professional accountant. It's the same kind of thing that the medical profession experienced maybe about 30 to 40 years ago, and even in our country, where from having doctors we started, and very rightly so, as the entire world was developing that way, we had medical practitioners specialized and super specialized in some of the most minute and some of the most, very, very fine verticals of the medical science. And the same is now going to be the situation. I see it not as I express it not as my opinion, but I see it as a writing on the wall in the world of professional accountants. Those verticals will develop, and within the verticals, you'll have the fine verticals, and you, who are going to be the leaders of the profession tomorrow, the students today, you will choose your super specializations. And once that is done, you will be in the position to provide that leadership, to provide those kind of services to the industry, to the government, to the stakeholders, to the regulators in our country, and also provide leadership to the rest of the world, because the world really looks up to you. As I travel around the world, today the expectations from Indian leadership, whether it's in industry or in Indian profession, across the world are changing. People look to the Indian mind as the brilliant mind, as the mind that is open, as the mind that can give new light, as the mind that can bring new perspectives. People like me still have half a leg in the past. Some of us have a full leg in the past. Our emotional equity in the past is very strong. It's not easy to disassociate with it. But my dear friends, the young people, my young friends today that I have an opportunity to address, you are going to be there, the totally a brand new product of our profession, of our institute. When I use the word product, it's not meant in any derogatory sense. It only means you are going to be those young, bright, brilliant people who will be the shining light of the profession in our country and around the world. The world opens up to you. You choose what you want to do. Once you decide, just remember one thing: mediocrity is a curse. In professional life, mediocrity is not the accepted thing. It's a curse. Excellence alone is the key. Choose your super specialization, and whatever you choose, go for excellence there and leave your mark. The world awaits you. Every opportunity awaits you, and I'm sure you'll make the very best. Thank you, and I wish you all the best once again.
Thank you, sir, for your nice words and within a sweet and sounding address, and too precise and too motivating words. A big round of applause for the. Now it's time to listen the kind words of our chief guest, CA R.P. Pansari ji. May I request CA R.P. Pansari ji to please be on the podium and address the August gathering.
My friend Sri Vishnu Tulsianji, the incoming chairman of the EIRC, Mayur Agrawalji, my great friend Mr. A.P. Singh, and other members of the EIRC, the members of the profession, and dear students. It's really a great privilege for me to be here amongst you today, and I thank Vishnuji for giving me this opportunity to be here. Friends, you have just heard Mr. A.P. Singh, the well-known speaker, and probably after him, it becomes difficult for anyone to speak anything better than him. He has the exposure not only in this profession, but even in the field of philanthropy or any other walk of life. He has traveled globally, and he has shared his progressive thoughts with you. Really, that, I would say, has set up the theme of the discussion today. As young professionals, when you would be enter the profession of chartered accountancy, you would be entering a very noble profession. But at the same time, besides the opportunity, the new opportunities which are being opened up for our members, I would say a great onerous responsibility also would come on your shoulders. The profession of audit would, as he says, that it is not confined to the financial transactions alone. The area of responsibility will be so large that you have to probably touch every aspect of the economy, every aspect of the corporate body, and all kinds of regulatory compliances, and the strategic approach of the management even. There the chartered accountants will play a great role. So from that perspective, I would say that our members would always have to remain a student. even after qualifying the examinations of chartered accountancy, to keep updated with the technological changes, with the legal and regulatory changes, with the developments in the economy. You have to always keep yourself updated. Then only your professional valuation will be there. Otherwise, you will be ranked as outdated and you would not have the same respect as others who have been doing the updation regularly and timely. Besides that, the technological development is another challenge for the chartered accountants, because now we have to come across all the corporates which are highly technologically driven and even doing any kind of advisory function or even the audit function or even conducting the consultancy services. We have to keep ourselves technologically updated. Then only we will be able to give the strategic advice to our clients. So openness to embrace the challenges, technology, to remain prepared for updation, to continue as a student and render your best to the economy, to the corporate world will be our responsibility. With these words, I thank you very much and wish you all the best. Thank you.
Sir, we are honored by your blessings and students are getting motivated with your kind words. Friends, now it's the time for award to meritorious students in CA final and intermediate examination of 2025 for all the 3 terms, January, May and September. Now I invite Shreya, please come on the dais and please go ahead with the proceedings.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Now it's time for giveaway the awards. So an award is a celebration of dedication, discipline and excellence. It recognizes students whose consistent hard work has translated into outstanding merits. So it's time to give away and recognize the merits of our students from January, May and September 2025 CA final and intermediate examinations. I request all my dignitaries to please come forward and start handing over the awards. I request Mr. Adarsh Singhi to please come on the dais. He is receiving a medal GD Salapuria Foundation Award, which is donated by GD Salapuria Foundation Trust for securing first position from Eastern Region in CA Final Grade 2, Group 2 September 2025 examinations. He is also receiving late Rabindra Mohan Bishwas Memorial Prize donated by Mr. A.K. Bishwas for again standing first position in Group 2 September 2025 exam. He is also receiving late Rakesh Salapuria Memorial Medal from GD Salapuria Foundation Trust for standing first among the male students from Eastern Region in CA Final September exams. And Rukmani Devi Banarsi Lal Satnali Wala Memorial Medal donated by CA Ketan Satnalia of Sadavarti Trust for standing second from Eastern Region. Congratulations, Adarsh Singhi. Next we have Mr. Aditya Raj Gupta. I request Mr. Aditya Raj Gupta to please come on the dais. Oh, okay. We move forward to Mr. Apurva Saraf. He is receiving Nirpati Nivanani Memorial Prize donated by Mr. A.K. Chakraborty FCA for standing first from Eastern Region in NCA Intermediate September exams. And also receiving R.P. Modi and Company Medal donated by CA R.P. Modi for securing highest marks from Eastern Region in CA Intermediate exams. We also have Sumit Modi, sir, with us. And if any donor who is donating the awards is there in this hall, you are requested to please come on the dais for give the awards to the students or their representatives. Next we have Devansh Agarwal. Mr. Devansh Agarwal, he is receiving late Shri Anil Kumar Ghosh Award donated by Ms. Jayanti Mitra for securing highest marks from Eastern Region in Advanced Audit and Professional Ethics in September 2025 exam. Also, the parents of students who are here may accompany them on the dais. I request Mr. Aditya Raj Gupta to please come on the dais. He is receiving a medal, Rukmani Devi Banarsi Lal Satnaliwala Memorial Medal, donated by CA Ketan Satnalia of Sadavarti Trust for standing second in Eastern Region in final Group 2 September 2025 exams. We have next Divyansh Damani. I request Divyansh Damani to come on the dais, please. He is receiving medal for Rukmani Devi Banarsi Lal Satnaliwala Memorial Medal, which is donated by CA Ketan Satnalia of Sadavarti Trust for standing second from Eastern Region in CA Final Group 1 September 2025 exams. Next, I request Harsh Kabra, Mr. Harsh Kabra to come on the dais, please. He is receiving medal for Nirpati Nivanani Memorial Prize donated by Mr. A.K. Chakraborty FCA for standing first from Eastern Region in intermediate January exams. He is also receiving a check from R.P. Modi and Company, which is again donated by CA R.P. Modi for securing highest marks from Eastern Region in intermediate examinations of January. A huge round of applause for all the meritorious students, please. Next, we have Mr. Jatin Poddar. He is receiving medal for Rukmani Devi Banarsi Lal Satnaliwala Memorial Medal donated by CA Ketan Satnalia of Sadavarti Trust for standing second in final Group 2 May examinations. We have his parents to take the award on his behalf. Next, we have Raghav Jhawar. Mr. Raghav Jhawar. He is receiving a medal, Nirapati Nivanani Memorial Prize donated by Mr. A.K. Chakraborty FCA for securing first position in CA Intermediate May exam. Now I request Mr. Siddharth Tapadia to please come on the dais. He is receiving a medal, late Rakesh Salapuria Memorial Medal, donated by GD Salapuria Foundation Trust for standing first among the male students from Eastern Region May final examinations. And Rukmani Devi Banarsi Lal Satnaliwala Memorial Medal, donated by CA Ketan Satnalia of Sadavarti Trust for standing second from Eastern Region in May final exam. Next we have Yash Mundra. I request Yash Mundra to please come on the dais. He is receiving a medal, Nirupati Nivanani Memorial Prize, donated by Mr. A.K. Chakraborty, FCA, for securing first position in Intermediate Group 2 May examinations. We have next Miss Ankita Ghoshal. I request Ankita Ghoshal to please come on the dais. She is receiving a medal, Kalicharan Sushila Bhaduri Memorial Silver Medal, donated by CA RN Bhaduri FCA for standing first in Annual Region Elocution Competition in 2025. Next we have Miss Anushka Agarwal. She is receiving a medal for Madan Mohan Medal donated by Mr. S.K. Jain FCA for standing first among the lady students from Eastern Region in CA Intermediate September exams. I request Ms. Julie Shaw to please come on the dais. Julie Shaw is receiving medal late Srimati Nirupama Datta Memorial Prize donated by CA Ashish Kumar Datta FCA for standing second among the lady students from Eastern Region for CA Final Group 2 September exam. Next, I request Ms. Khushi Likmania to please come on the dais. Khushi Likmania is receiving medal, Nirupati Nivanani Memorial Prize donated by Mr. A.K. Chakraborty for standing first in CA Intermediate May exam. She is also receiving a medal, Madan Memorial Medal donated by Mr. S.K. Jain FCA for being the first lady student from Eastern Region Intermediate May exam, and also a check RP Modi and Company donated by CA RP Modi for securing highest marks in CA Intermediate exam. Next is Ms. Khushi Garg. She is receiving a medal late Srimati Nirupama Datta Memorial Prize donated by CA Ashish Kumar Datta FCA for standing second among the lady students from Eastern Region for CA Final May 2025 exam. Keep applauding. We have next Miss Kaushal Bhansali. Miss Kaushal Bhansali is receiving medal, Madan Memorial Medal, donated by Mr. S.K. Jain FCA for standing first among the lady students from Eastern region in CA Intermediate January exam. I request Nishtha Bothra to please come on the dais. Nishtha Bothra has bagged a bouquet of awards in this function. First is Sharda Memorial Medal donated by Mr. N. Chakrabarti FCA for standing first from Eastern Region CA final exam. GD Salapuria Foundation Award donated by GD Salapuria Foundation Trust for standing first in Group 2 May exam. Late Rabindra Mohan Vishwas Memorial Prize donated by AK Vishwas for standing first in Group 2 May exam. Late Shri Anil Kumar Ghosh Award donated by Ms. Jayanti Mitra for securing highest in Advanced Audit and Professional Ethics in May final exam. Bikramjit Majumdar Memorial Award donated by Bikramjit Majumdar Memorial Trust for standing first in Eastern Region CA final exam. Janod Santosh Bala Bose Memorial Prize donated by late DN Bose FCA of DN Bose and Company for standing first in CA final exam. Madan Memorial Medal donated by SK Jain for standing first among lady students. Late Srimati Ratni Devi Bhuramal Agarwal Memorial Prize donated by GP Agarwal for standing first among the lady students. Late Srimati Ratni Devi Bhuramal Agarwal Memorial Prize donated by GP Agarwal Memorial for standing first among the lady students in CA Group 2 final exam. Dulal Nandan Bose Memorial Medal donated by Mrs. Manjula Bose for securing highest marks from Eastern Region Financial Reporting. Late Srimati Nirupama Datta Memorial Prize donated by C. Ashish Kumar Datta for standing first among lady students. Late Rakesh Salapuria Memorial Medal donated by GD Salapuria Foundation Trust, again for being the first lady among the Eastern region. Late Amita Chakrabarti Memorial Medal donated by Sia Aparajita Chakrabarti for securing highest marks in CA final. And Jagneshwar Usha Rani Bhaumik Memorial Prize donated by P. Bhaumik FCA. Nishtha Bothra, please come on the dais again. Jagneshwar Usha Rani Bhaumik Memorial Prize donated by P. Bhaumik FCA of P. Bhaumik and Company for standing first from the region among lady candidates in CA final exam. A round of applause for Nishtha. Next we have Shivangi Dokania. Shivangi Dokania has received a medal, Dulal Nandan Bose Memorial Medal, donated by Mrs. Manjula Bose for securing highest marks from Eastern Region in Financial Reporting in CA Final May exam. Next we have Siddhi Saraf. Miss Siddhi Saraf. Again I request her to stay a little longer on the stage for receiving several medals. Sharda Memorial Medal donated by Mr. N. Chakrabarti for standing first from Eastern Region September exam. Bikramjit Majumdar Memorial Award donated Bikramjit Majumdar Memorial Trust for standing first from Eastern Region CA Final. A check from Janod Santosh Bala Bose Memorial Medal donated by late DN Bose FCA of DN Bose and Company for standing first from the region in CA final. Madan Memorial Medal donated by SK Jain for standing first among the lady students. Late Srimati Ratni Devi Bhuramal Agarwal Memorial Prize donated by Mr. GP Agarwal for standing first among the lady students. Late Srimati Ratni Devi Bhuramal Agarwal Memorial Prize donated by GP Agarwal. Dulal Nandan Bose Memorial Medal donated by Manjula Bose for securing highest marks in financial reporting. Late Srimati Nirupama Datta Memorial Prize donated by CA Ashish Kumar Datta for standing first among the lady students. Late Rakesh Salapura Memorial Medal donated by GD Salapura Foundation Trust for standing first among the lady students. Late Amita Chakraborty Memorial Medal donated by C. Aparajita Chakraborty for securing highest marks. And Jagneshwar Usharani Bhaumik Memorial Prize donated by P. Bhaumik for standing first among the lady candidates in CA final September exam. Next we have Miss Tanya Dedwania. Tanya Dedwania has received a medal. Late Srimati Nirupama Datta Memorial Prize donated by C. Ashish Kumar Datta for standing second among the lady students from Eastern region in CA final September exam. Next we have Miss Vanshika Agarwal. She is receiving Miss Vanshika Agarwal is receiving Madan Memorial Medal donated by Mr. SK Jain FCA for standing first among the lady students in CA Intermediate Group 2 September exams. Next we have Mr. Ritik Bajaj. Mr. Ritik Bajaj is receiving medal Kali Charan Sushila Bhaduri Memorial Silver Medal donated by CA RN Bhaduri FCA for standing first in CA Students National Talent Search 2025 quiz. So that's for the awards and merits that we have given. The achievements inspire others to aim higher and dream bigger. Congratulations to our meritorious students. Your success is truly well deserved. Congratulations.
Friends, we have seen all the meritorious students has got awards, 1, 2, and more than that. And some of you have got the appreciation money also, award money also. So it is what? It is your hard work, but your hard work is added by your parents' contribution. They have sleepless nights behind your success. So please keep in your mind throughout your life that whatever you are with the contribution of your parents. I recall the incident when I used to study, and during examination days, I used to study early at morning at 4 a.m. to say 7 a.m. continuously. Thereafter, I used to do the. So, before 4 a.m. in the morning, my mother used to wake up at 3 a.m. कि बेटे को चाय बना के देनी है. And before I used to wake up, she was ready with a cup of tea and with snacks. So this is their thought process. This is their contribution towards our success. So, big round of applause for all your parents. Friends, now comes the time for address by convener of Award Committee 2025 of ARC, CA Mayur Agarwal, Vice Chairman of ARC of ICI.
Very good afternoon to dignitaries on the dais, members, students. Friends, Chairman East India Regional Council this year made me the chairman for the award committee, and the other members of the award committee was CA Hariram Agarwal, CA Aditya Maheshwari, and CA Bishwaranjan Sutar. So what happens, we have awards for our branches, for the student association of branches, and there is a CSR award. So the student, in branches, there are two categories of award. One category of award is for the medium and small category together, where we award the best branch award. And then there is another category of award which is micro branch. In micro category, we have two awards, best branch for micro category and highly commendable branch for micro category. And in the student association, we give 5 awards. The first category is among the large branches. Then there are 2 awards for the small branches. And then there are 2 awards for the micro branches. And there is a single award for the CSR. So friends, we have 13 branches in Eastern India Regional Council, and all the branches, if you can, during the preparation of these awards and when we were evaluating these awards, I think if you can see the work they have done, exemplary work which the branches have done, I think there are branches who have sent more than 1,000 pages of compilation of works which they have done in the entire year. So kudos to the branch. Huge round of applause for all the 13 branches of Eastern India Regional Council. CA Devasis Mitra, the past president of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, used to say that the life and spirit and soul of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India rests in its branches. In total, all over India, it is 184 branches. But in Eastern region, we have mentioned, we have 13 branches, and each and every branches actually contributes and execute the thought process of the leadership at the central council under the guidance of the leadership of the regional councils, and ensures that the members in the branches and the students in the branches regularly get updated about the various day-to-day affairs, about the various curriculum affairs. I recognize the presence of both our Central Council members, CA Sanjeev Sanghi and CA Ravi Patwa. So, when we were evaluating, it was very tough to decide which branches should win, because if we would have had the option, we would have awarded each and every branches the effort and the work they have done, but then there are restrictions. So, based on the numbers, the awards will be announced. So, I would request all the dignitaries to kindly come in front so that we can start giving the awards to our branches and student association. We'll start with the student association. I also request both our central council member to kindly join on the dais for starting the award ceremony. We will start with the micro category for the student association. In the micro category, the best student association for the year 2025 goes to Sambalpur branch of Student Association of EIRC of ICAI. Friends, we are happy to also inform you that Sambalpur Student Association has also bagged the award at the national level. So congratulations and compliment. Please give a huge round of applause for them. Congratulations, hearty congratulations to the Sambalpur branch. In the micro category, highly commendable branch, Student Association goes to Tinsukia branch of Student Association of EIRC of ICAI. Congratulations, Tinsukia branch Student Association. Friends, we will move to small categories of branches, student associations, and in the small category, the best student association award goes to Siliguri branch of Student Association of EIRC. Huge round of applause for Siliguri branch. And again, we are proud to inform that Siliguri branch of EIRC has bagged the award in the national level also. So compliment and congratulations to Siliguri branch. Congratulations, Siliguri branch. Under the small category, the highly commendable category goes to Durgapur branch of Student Association of EIRC of ICAI. Durgapur branch is a new entrant in the recent year for the awards. Congratulations to Durgapur branch. Friends, it's time for the large category of student association, and in the large category, it's the Guwahati branch of Student Association of EIRC. We would request the Guwahati branch to kindly stay back. We would request the Guwahati branch to kindly stay back. In the branch award category, in the medium and small category, the best branch goes to Guwahati branch of EIRC of ICAI. And friends, the Guwahati branch of EIRC of ICAI was also awarded at the national category for the highly commendable branch. Second best branch. Guwahati branch will not let you go because you have performed superbly, because the CSR activity award for this year also goes to the Guwahati branch of EIRC of ICAI. They have bagged the award in every category and they are getting this third award for this year. Congratulations and a huge round of applause for Guwahati branch. Congratulations to the Guwahati branch. Last I remember 2 years back, it was Tinsukia branch who has bagged the 3 awards, and now this time it's Guwahati branch. Congratulations and compliment to you. Moving to the micro category of branch, it's the Sambalpur branch of East India Regional Council of ICAI who gets the best branch in the micro category. Sambalpur branch, as you have already noticed, has got 2 awards. They have also got the award which we have given earlier in the student category also, Best Student Association of EIRC of ICAI in micro category. It's time we give the award for the highly commendable micro category branch of EIRC, and it's Dibrugarh branch of EIRC of ICAI. I request the managing committee members of Dibrugarh branch to kindly join. I think they are not here. So huge round of applause for Dibrugarh branch of EIRC of ICAI. Compliments. And here we come to the end of the award ceremony. Thank you everyone. Award ceremony of the branches. We'll go ahead. I would request Hariram ji to kindly take this forward.
Congratulations to all the branches and their student wings for winning the branch awards as well as ICASA branch award to all of them. Thank you. Now we are moving ahead, and now comes the category presentation of awards to study circles to members of for their contribution to the various activities of EIRC for the year 2025. So I'm calling all the study circles alphabetically order of their names, first names. So first is ACAE CACP Study Circle of EIRC, ACAE SOKS CACP Study Circle, BBD Bagh CACP Study Circle. आइए सर, आप कौन सा में सर, किसका अवार्ड लेंगे? आइए ऐसी ACAE CACP Study Circle.
So, anyone from SOKS CACP Study Circle? SOKS CACP Study Circle? Next we have BBD Bagh CACP Study Circle. BBD Bagh. Bidhan Nagar Chartered Accountant CP Study Circle.
We request both the Central Council member to kindly join. Kindly join, Ravi sir and Sanjeev sir, kindly join on the dais, please.
So, Bidhan Nagar. Do we have anyone from Bidhan Nagar? Central Kolkata CACP Study Circle. Central Kolkata. Next we request Chaurangi Square OPA CACP Study Circle to be ready after Central Kolkata. First Central Kolkata, then Chaurangi Square. Central Kolkata, please come up on the dais. Next we request Chaurangi Square OPA CP Study Circle. DTPS Study Circle, please be ready. Next DTPS CP. Now we request DTPS CACP Study Circle of EIRC to please come up on the dais. Howrah CACP Study Circle, if you have your representation, please come up. First DTPA, then Howrah, if you have. Howrah Pure. Madam.
Howrah CACP Study Circle. Next, Salt Lake City Chartered Accountant CP Study Circle, please be ready. If you have anyone from Salt Lake CP chapter, Study Circle, sorry. Next, South Calcutta Chartered Accountant CP Study Circle of EIRC. If you have anyone from South Kolkata, Views Exchange, we have.
Views Exchange, please.
We have the representation from Views Exchange. VIP Road next. VIP Road, CACP Study Circle, please be ready.
VIP Road, please.
VIP Road, please come up on the dais. Next, Vitta Salakar, CACP Study Circle. If you have anyone. Yes, sir. After Vitta Salakar, if you have anyone from Accountant Library, Chartered Accountant, CP Study Circle. CA ISA Chartered Accountant, CP Study Circle. So we have representation from Madhya Kolkata. Vitta Salakar, please come up on the dais. Vitta Salakar. And next, Madhya Kolkata Study Circle, please be ready. After Madhya Kolkata, 8x2 Chartered Accountant Study Circle, if you have anyone.
Madhya Kolkata, please.
Madhya Kolkata, please come up on the dais. इसके बाद 3 है सर जी, अगर कोई MII वाला बनेगा। MII चैप्टर का नहीं। Anyone from 8x2 Chartered Accountant Study Circle? अच्छा, from MII Bhawanipur CP Study Circle, MII South City Kolkata CP Study Circle. Okay, so we are done with the Study Circle awards. Now sir, individual awards. चैप्टर का कोई नहीं।
Dibrugarh branch is here in this auditorium. Dibrugarh branch.
खाली नाम नहीं होता, आप खाली continuously call करेंगे।
Anyone from the CP Study Group or CP Studies chapter of EIRC? You have already received. Sorry, already मिल गया था। Okay, so नहीं तो सर को एक बार को थोड़ा ये देना पड़ेगा ना ब्रीफ। चेयरमैन सर,
Hello, friends. Thank you so much that I'm making conversation with all of you, discussing with all of you, and talking with all of you. And I'm so happy that many of us are here to receive the awards in the group. So it's very good energy I can see here. Now, after the branches, study circle and study branches, we have the time to felicitate, to recognize the contribution of individual members of the EIRC. It may consist of any branches, any state or any places. So now the time to recognize them. So I request Manish ji to please call the name one by one and call them to the stage for the purpose of giving them the recognition from EIRC as such. Thank you so much.
Okay. So, first of all, I request CA Aghor Kumar Dudewala to please come up on the dais. Aghor Kumar Dudewala ji, please.
No, sir, he was there.
अजय कुमार बगड़िया जी, अजय कुमार पाटोदिया जी, सीए अजय कुमार टिकरीवाल जी, सीए अक्षत जैन जी, प्लीज कम अप ऑन द डायस.
No, sir, he is there.
अक्षत जैन इज कमिंग सर. अक्षत जैन जी, प्लीज कम अप ऑन द डायस. प्लीज कम. CA Amit Agarwal, if you have here. CA Amit Kumar Agarwal. Amit Kumar Agarwal ji, please come up on the dais. CA Amitesh Agarwal, if you here. CA Anand Chatrat ji, Anand Kumar Gupta ji, Anand Prakash ji, Anil Krishna Prasad, Anil Kumar Mandawewala, Animesh Mukhopadhyay ji, Anita Agarwal ji, Anshul Bhuwania ji, please come up. Anshul Agarwal ji, if you have here. Anup Kumar Banka ji, Anup Kumar Loharka ji, please come up. Anup Kumar Banka ji, Anup Kumar Loharka ji is there in the dais. Next we have Anup Kumar Banka ji. Anup Sangai ji, if you have. Anuradha Agarwal ji, please come up. Just for 2 minutes, 2 minutes. एक फोटो हो रहा है मैडम. Apurva Maheshwari ji, if you are there. Arvind Kumar Soni ji, Ashish Bubna ji, Ashok Kumar Sipani ji, Ashok Saraogi ji, Ashok Kumar Maheshwari ji, CA Badri Prasad Tulsian ji, you are here. Badri Prasad Tulsian ji, please come up. So here Badri Prasad Tulsian ji is coming. Basant Gadian ji, बसंत प्रसाद खंडेलवाल जी, भंवरलाल राठी जी, भरत सरावगी, सीए भास्कर बासु, सीए विजय कुमार डोकानिया जी, CA Vikas Kumar Banka ji, CA Bimal Agarwal ji, you are here, please come up. Bimal Agarwal ji, please come up. Bimlesh Kumar Ramuka ji. Next, Vinay Singhania ji, please come. Vishnu Kumar Bajaj ji, if you have. Brinda Bidasaria ji, CA Brinda Bidasaria. CA Daulat Jain ji. Vinay Singhania ji, please come up. CA Daya Shankar Agarwal ji. CA Deep Agarwal ji. धीरज कुमार जैन जी. दिलीप कुमार परमानंदा जी. दिनेश कुमार गुप्ता. CA दीपक सिंह जी. CA गगन केडिया जी. गौरव मोर जी. गोपाल जैन जी. गोपाल खेतान जी. CA गोपाल कुमार अग्रवाल. CA हर्ष गदौरिया. CA हेमंत अग्रवाल. जिनेश बंजारा जी, प्लीज कम अप. CA कमल किशोर शारदा जी. कौशिक मुखर्जी. खुशाबू खोवावाला जी. किरण चंद छेतिया जी. कृष्ण कुमार अग्रवाल जी, इफ यू हैव. श्री के छापड़िया जी, प्लीज कम अप. के छापड़िया जी, प्लीज कम. कृष्ण मुरारी टिपरेवाल जी. ललित कुमार अग्रवाल जी. ललित श्रॉफ जी. माधव प्रसाद सुरेखा जी. महावीर अग्रवाल जी. महादेव लाल अग्रवाल जी. महादेव कुमार अग्रवाल. महेंद्र कुमार नाहता जी, इफ यू हैव. महेश चंद गुप्ता जी. महेश कुमार मोदी जी. ममता केजरीवाल जी. मनीष राज दांदरिया जी, इफ यू हैव. मनीष यादुका जी. मंजुलता मैडम, प्लीज कम अप. नेक्स्ट, मनोज चेतानी जी, इफ यू हैव. मनु ऋषि जी वर्मा जी, प्लीज कम. मनु ऋषि वर्मा जी. He was there. CA Mayank Kumar, if you are here. Mayank Kumar next. After Manu Rishi sir. CA Mukesh Agarwal ji. CA Mukesh Kumar Banka ji. मुस्कान थेतिया जी. नम्रता खन्ना जी. मयंक कुमार जी, प्लीज कम अप. नरेंद्र कुमार चांडक जी. नरेंद्र कुमार गोयल जी. नीरज केजरीवाल जी. CA नीलेश गुप्ता, प्लीज कम. So Naresh Kumar Chandak ji is there. I have Naresh Kumar Chandak. Naresh Kumar Chandak ji is here. Nilesh Gupta ji, please come. CA Nilima Joshi ji, if you have. Next, CA Neeraj Agarwal. Two CA Neeraj Agarwals are here. Please come. Yes. CA नीरज अग्रवाल जी. बहुत अच्छा, केजरीवाल जी से. नीरज केजरीवाल जी, राइट. नीरज अग्रवाल, both the नीरज अग्रवाल are here, so one by one. Next, नीरज हरोदिया जी, if you have. I don't think so. निशा अग्रवाल जी, please come up. हाँ, नीरज अग्रवाल जी, please come. निशा जी is there. निशा अग्रवाल. नितिन हुकुमचंद अग्रवाल जी, if you are here. नितिन कंदोई जी, if you are here. नितिन कंदोई जी, please come. First Nisha ji, then Nitin Ganjo. अच्छा Nitin Ganjo ji, you are come. Please come. Nisha ji, you please come. Nitin Ganjo ji is getting felicitated. Now Nisha Agarwal ji, please come. Next Pankaj Verma ji, please come. Pankaj Malu ji, if you are here. Parag Kumar Lat ji. Pankaj Verma ji, please come. Pawan Kumar Loya ji. Pinky Kumar Agarwal. So Parag Lat ji is there. Next Pinky Kumari ji is there. Piyush Jindal ji, if you are here. Pinky ji, please come. Piyush Jindal ji next. Pradeep Modi ji, if you are here. Pradeep Kumar Lat ji, if you are here. Prakash Kumar Agarwal ji, if you are here. Pratham Mittal ji. Pramod Kumar Sanghai ji. Pushpajit Yaduka ji. Rahul Modi ji, please come. Rahul Kumar ji, please come. Rahul Losalka ji, if you are here. Rahul Mandawewala ji. Rahul Losalka, Rahul Mandawewala ji. Raj Singhania ji next. ये राहुल लोसालका हो गया ना. हाँ हाँ. Rahul Mandawewala ji, if you are here. राज सिंघानिया जी. रजन लोसालका जी. सीए राजेंद्र भूत्रा. सीए राजेंद्र कुमार व्यास जी. सीए राजेंद्र रामपुरिया सर, प्लीज कम. राजेश कुमार अग्रवाल जी, इफ यू आर हियर. राजेश कुमार कनकारिया जी, इफ यू आर हियर. सीए राजेश कुमार केजरीवाल जी. सीए राजीव कुमार अग्रवाल जी. राजेश अग्रवाल जी, राजेश केजरीवाल जी इज कमिंग. राजीव कुमार अग्रवाल जी. सीए राकेश अग्रवाल. सीए राम नारायण सिंह. सीए रामनाथ सिंह. सीए राम रतन मोदी जी. सीए रमेश कुमार चौखानी जी. सीए रमेश कुमार विजय जी. रमेश कुमार विजय जी, प्लीज कम. आ जाएगा ना. सीए राज बिहारी डोकानिया जी. सीए रश्मि बियानी जी. रश्मि चौचरिया जी. सीए रश्मि शर्मा जी. रवीशा जी, प्लीज कम अप. नेक्स्ट आफ्टर मैडम रश्मि आइए. रवि जी आइए, तब तक आइए. रवि सुरेखा जी, इफ यू आर हियर. रवि तुलसियान जी. रिक्की अग्रवाल जी. रश्मि मैडम प्लीज कम. ऋषभ अग्रवाल जी. ऋषभ खैतान जी. ऋषभ ओझा जी. ऋषि खतोर. सीए ऋषि खतोर जी. CA रितेश विमल जी, CA रितेश विमल जी, रोशन बजाज जी, if you are here. ठीक, रूपक केडिया जी प्लीज कम. रूपक केडिया जी, हाँ देखिए. सजन सुल्तानिया जी प्लीज कम नेक्स्ट. सजन जी प्लीज कम. Then Rupak ji will come. Sandeep Savare ji, if you are here, please come near the dais. Sandeep Sureka ji, if you are here. Sandeep Kumar Goyal ji. Sanjay Agarwal ji. Okay. Okay. So CA Santosh Dokania ji is felicitated. संदीप सावरिया जी, संदीप सुरेखा जी here. हाँ, संदीप कुमार गोयल जी, संजय अग्रवाल जी, संजय बाजोरिया जी, संजय भालोटिया जी, संजय चिरानिया, CA संजीव कुमार अग्रवाल, संतोष कुमार रुंगटा जी, सारिका साबू जी प्लीज कम. CA सारिका साबू, CA शंभू झा जी प्लीज कम नेक्स्ट. CA शशि चंद्र मिश्रा जी, शिव खेमका जी, शिवांग छापरिया जी, स्नेहिल गर्ग. तो शिव खेमका जी is here. Snehil Garg, if you are here. CA Saurav Agarwal, please come. Next. CA Srikant Sharma ji, if you are here. CA Shubham Agrawal ji. CA Sumit Modi ji, if you are here. Sumit Modi ji, please come. Next, Shubham Agrawal ji is waiting. Sushil Jajode ji, you were there, but I think he left. Sushil Kumar Jajode ji is not there. CA Shyam Agrawal ji, please come. स्वतंत्र कुमार रस्तोगी जी, if you are here. स्वाति कुमारी सिंघानिया जी, स्वाति कुमारी सिंघानिया जी, श्वेता सिंघानिया जी नेक्स्ट. संजय भालोटिया जी, you are here. Okay. श्वेता सिंघानिया जी नेक्स्ट. तरुण कुमार गुप्ता जी, if you are here. त्रिलोचन शर्मा जी, if you are here. उमेश पोद्दार जी, वसंतलाल अंबालाल पारिक जी, Vasant Lal Parikh ji, please come. Vasudev Agarwal ji, if you are here. Vikas Dhanania ji. CA Vikas Goyal ji. CA Vikas Parak ji. Vikas Parak ji, please come. CA Vikram Agrawal ji, if you are here. Vinita Kejriwal ji, if you are here. Vivek Banka ji, if you are here. Vivek Nevatia ji, if you are here. Rishikesh Chalani ji. That's it.
These were the people who has been recognized by the chairman for their support and help in the last entire year. Friends, when the awards were announced for the branch and regional branch association, Dibrugarh branch was not there. So now they have come. So I request Dibrugarh branch representative to kindly join on the dais. They have been awarded as the conferred as the highly commendable branch in the micro category. MC member from Dibrugarh branch kindly join. I request the dignitaries to kindly give away the award.
We request Anup Sangai ji to please come up. And Ram Avatar Joshi ji. Ram Avatar Joshi ji.
Friends, as we know, every good thing has got its end, and we are concluding our this annual award function.
Amisha and group, please come up on the dais. Amisha. Asmita Seal, Neha Das, Riya Raj, Ashish Kumar Rajak, Amisha Sarkar, Deepak Shaw, Nilima Sheikh, Piyush Kumar Singh. Please come up. These were the volunteers who actively participated in the Golden Jubilee Conference.
Before I call CA Viswaranjan Sutar for offering hearty vote of thanks, may I request Chairman CA Vishnu Kumar Tulsian to please give his concluding remark. CA Viswaranjan Sutar, please, vote of thanks.
Thank you, Hari Bhaiya. Now may I request all of you, please settle down, kindly please. Please settle down. It's a moment of celebration. Let's celebrate it properly. Please settle down, kindly requesting all of you. When it comes to awards and recognitions, these are moments and elements. And for those moments, we would have started our journeys from dawn to twilight. And elements, those who will move to walk further miles to build a prosperous tomorrow, to find a meaningful way of life. And today, we are grateful to two towering gentlemen. One, Mr. Ram Prasad, who says the name of our first president, and another president who is a tiger of the lion, and both with their wisdom and insights gave us the meaning of summit, because every award and recognition in their own way are summits where we'll witness both the twilight and dawn, and both are inspiring enough to walk that extra mile. With this note, let's conclude this award ceremony with a hope that we'll build a better tomorrow, meaningful tomorrow, and we'll build it together. Thank you so much, and we'll be rejoining at 5:30 sharp here for the installation ceremony. And in between those 20 to 25 minutes, when you are outside, the Holi is quick, fast approaching. And the passes for the Holi celebration, which we are going to have the celebration on 1st of March at Dhanodhanya with Dr. Kumar Biswas. Passes are there. Please take your passes so that you don't miss out and have that FOMO of celebrating Holi on 1st of March. So thank you so much for being with us. Thank you so much the branches who are the soul and heart of this great institute, all the study circles, all the members, and especially those young members, those who got the awards with their parents, the future of reckoning. Thank you so much. With this note, we are concluding this award ceremony. Thank you so much.